Guys, Raul Bolufe here. If you guys know me, awesome. If not, just tell you a quick little bit about myself and this channel and what it's for and what it's not for. So, I've been running a real estate company for 5 years. Started it when I was 20 years old from my bedroom with no experience, no money, nothing, and been able to do a couple $1 million worth of deals and all this stuff. This channel, right? This YouTube channel, my podcast, all this information is basically my way of giving back, right? It's my way of getting the things I've learned, all the mistakes I've made, and sharing it to you so you guys don't make it and don't waste so much time. And it's great. You guys can find me on YouTube for free, podcast for free. I also have a free email that's like a strategy tip every week. It's kind of like what we're learning. We're very involved in the business, so everything that we're learning, I'm gonna put in a strategy tip every week. It's just free stuff for you guys. And just putting out the good energy out there. If it gets put back, it's awesome. So yeah, you guys can click below and sign up to that email. It'll be about once a week. Also, you can check me on YouTube, podcast, Raul Bolufe, Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. And yeah, guys, enjoy the site. We have blogs, we have all that stuff. All the stuff's for free. And if you guys like it, cool. See you on the other side.